let's unbox this. They call it a pressure cook. I bought it from Chinese shops. Let me show you how it looks like. This is a lid. You have to remove this box here so that it comes out well. Then this plastic here. It's written kitchen stuff here. This is how it looks. It's a pressure cook. I don't know how it works. This is the lid. And then the bottom part of it. Here it is. It's a written kitchen stuff. I bought it from Chinese stores. This is how it looks like. Then it is branded as chicken. It's as kitchen stuff. Written pressure cooker. Its capacity is 7.5 liters. Stainless steel. Made from India. And then there's the menu for it. How to use it. How to close the outer lid of the pressure cooker, how to open the outer lid of the pressure cooker. I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna learn with the help of this menu here, with the help of this. And then they say it has a warranty. Yeah, this is it. The pressure cooker's tips and hints, you know, how to use it. I can't wait to use it. And I'm gonna show you how to close it. I don't know how it works, but I'll figure it out. Oh, you just use this here, and this just, it's open. And then when you close it like that. This is how it looks. My pressure cooker. It's so beautiful. I love it already. It's amazing. And then it's written important, read instructions before use. I have to read these instructions before I use this pressure cooker because it's totally different from the ones that I have. This is what it has. I've never seen a pot having these metal things here. And close it. I'm gonna try to learn how to use it. This is my pressure cooker, kitchen stuff. I love the brand. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and like. Thank you. Love you.